Hi you guys, so today we're making this little loaded pocket. It has many pieces of ephemera in it. I'll go ahead and show it to you. So it is actually a little pocket and it's made out of a piece of book page. And then it has this little heart on the side and then you can journal on the back of it. And it also has this little tag in the front that you can journal on the back of. And then it has this little piece of ephemera, and then inside of the ephemera it has a heart that you can journal on as well. So I thought it was super fun. Let's go ahead and get started. I made it with a piece of book page. To begin with, I just took a piece of book page. This is the page I'm going to go ahead and use. I'm using some pink Distress Oxide, and I'm going to go ahead and ink around the edges of it. Okay, and then what I did was I went ahead and just folded the bottom part up to make a little pocket. I got this pad of paper from Michael's and it has all kinds of really cool book club vibes in it. So I went ahead and picked out a sheet of paper. So for my sample, this is a sample of the little card that I made for this one, for the first pocket on the back. And this one is 4 by 5. I went ahead and cut a strip of this paper out of that book club set. So that's 4 inches. From here to here is 4 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and do 5 inches. Okay, and then what I did was I went ahead and I just have this little punch. Let me go ahead and punch a little half circle in the side so you can tell that it's a pocket right there. I'm going to go ahead and ink this up. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put this inside of our little page. I'm just going to use some art glitter glue. Okay, and then what I did was I just folded this up and I made this into another pocket. So I went ahead and glued right here, just so we have one more pocket. And then I want to take a piece of this. This is just a piece of glitter paper. And I got this paper pad. This was on sale as well. And it had a couple of pieces of glitter paper in it. So I'm going to go ahead and use this to cut out a whale tail for the top. So this is my whale tail punch. And I'm going to go ahead and glue that on the top. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make the heart part for the inside. So inside we have that little heart that we could journal on the back of. So basically what we'll do is make a couple different size hearts. And so I'm going to take this, extra piece of page, and I'm not going to crease it real hard. I'm just going to go ahead and cut out a heart. So I'm going to just fold it like this. And just cut out a heart like that. And then I'm going to get a piece of scrap, whatever kind of scraps that I have laying around. I'm going to go ahead, I think I'll use this. I'm going to cut out another heart on the inside for this centerpiece. It's just a little bit smaller. I'm just kind of freehand cutting a heart. If you have like a die cut that you want to use, or if you want to make a template first, you can do that. That's cute. I'm going to make it slightly smaller. I'm going to glue that on here. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead and ink around this one. And then I have another piece of paper I'm going to put on the back just so that I can make it white so that I can write on it. I'm just going to use some of this. This is what I had used for the other one. Just going to make sure I have a good amount of the paper. I'm going to go ahead and glue this piece on. And then I'm just going to go ahead and cut around it, just kind of like you would fussy cut a digital. Just like that. Okay, and then so this is going to be our heart that's going to go in this little pocket and that we can journal on. It's kind of like a secret heart that's inside of our pockets. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one away. Okay, and then the next thing I want to do is I want to pick some people to put on the front of this one. So I have some Tim Holtz paper dolls. Oh, actually I like this. That's cute. Okay, so we'll go ahead and go with these. And then what I want to do is I had a piece of paper to kind of stabilize them. So like on this other one, I had this little piece of paper back here. I'm going to go ahead and put something back there so that I can glue my heart to. So I'm going to go ahead, well, you know what? I'm just going to pick a piece of this paper. Yeah, that's good. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and just trim off piece of that. Then I'm going to glue that to the side of this guy, right? Just like that. Okay, I like that. All right, and then now we're going to make our heart. And I just used a piece of cardstock to make the heart. And so I just kind of free-handed cut out a heart. Like that. Okay, now I'm going to glue our heart on here. Just gluing the part that is going to be on this little board. And then I'm going to go over here and just glue this part down. Just slightly so it doesn't pop up. All right. So you can just wipe away any extra glue if you get any extra glue anywhere. So then this will go inside of here. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it so far. It looks so cute. Okay, and then down below, I want to put something. I put a flower on our other one. I also have a tag that I put in it. So I'm going to go ahead and make a little tag to put in the front. And I have some Valentines ephemera. I'm going to go ahead and just see what we have here. You can go ahead and put that in there. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and put something on the front of here to decorate it just a little. I had a flower on the front of my other one. I have this little set of Tim Holtz, like it's wallpaper. I've just had this in my stash. I'm going to go ahead and see if I see a little flower or something that I want to put on the front. Like right there. Oh my gosh, that's cute. Ooh, maybe that. Ooh, I like that. We'll do that one. So we'll go ahead. I'm going to ink around this. Cute. And then I have some little words. I kind of thought I might just see if I want to put one on there. Like here's one that says Valentine. That's cute. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and use that one. Okay, cute. I love how it turned out. Okay, so we just made ourselves a loaded pocket. You can put whatever you want. If you want to put more stuff in it, you can. You can add extra little pieces of ephemera to it. You know, whatever you think that you want to go ahead and put in there. Fill it up. And you have, let's just go over it again. You have this little heart that you can journal on the back of. You have this little card that you can journal on the back of. You have this little piece of ephemera that you can journal inside of the hearts. I love how it turned out. It is so fun. Oh, look, I'll put it like that. Okay, so thanks, you guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.